It's hard to believe we're talking about back to school when we are seeing some of the hottest temperatures so far of the summer. Today, no different than really the past week with triple-digit heat. Now, most of us woke up to kind of some overcast skies, and then it was hazy sunshine. And at times, the sun broke right on out, and it was quite hot, but quite pretty from our Fort Pierce camera. Gorgeous water there. Stayed nice until about 5 o'clock, and wow, what is this? Look at this amazing shelf cloud rolling in, kind of ominous, pretty to look at, and here comes the rain across Fort Pierce. And finally, we had a little bit of a sunset there, but yeah, that rain wanted to just kind of stick around. We're quiet now other than a sprinkle or two. We did have a severe thunderstorm warning right around 6:07 for north central Palm Beach County. That was allowed to expire, but we had some hail from Jupiter Farms, gusty winds, and excessive lightning along with torrential rainfall. All right, temperatures right now across Palm Beach County: 76 Wellington, 78 Boca, 78 degrees West Palm Beach, and the winds generally on the light side. Same across the Treasure Coast. We're seeing 75 for Vero Beach and Stewart, 77 Port St. Lucie and Fort Pierce, checking in at 75 degrees. So tomorrow we're going to do it all over again with triple-digit heat. Heat advisories will likely be necessary tomorrow, generally from the hours of 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. But we have this big stationary high pressure. It's not moving anywhere, and it is a very strong area of high pressure because right now the 500 millibar level is about 594, which is in the 90th percentile for this time of year. It just means that we are really unusually hot, but we're not the only ones. Lots of the country enduring high heat indices as well. Some tips for you to beat the heat: of course, you want to drink plenty of water, and sometimes you need to add some electrolytes to that water to really beat that dehydration. Spend time in the AC and the shade. Watch for signs of heat illness, and remember to check the car. Look before you lock for kids or pets, and keep those pets hydrated as well. Avoid strenuous activities during the hottest times of the day. All right, Saharan dust continues to impact our weather. It's sticking around Monday and Tuesday, so once again we'll see those hazy skies, and the models indicating some pretty heavy rain as we head into the later portions of the afternoon into the early evening. This is 6:30, showing some strong storms across the Treasure Coast, and finally we start to wind down after about 9 o'clock. So it could be very similar to what we saw today. Quiet in the tropics. We like to hear that tonight. The rain's ending, temperature dropping down into the 70s. Tomorrow could be very, very hot. 96 the forecast for Treasure Coast, 95 the Palm Beaches. Good boating, seas 1 to 2. And I wish I could tell you there's a big change in the temperatures, but there's just not. We dial them back 2 degrees by Wednesday to 93. About a 20 to 30% chance of storms each and every day.